Hi guys, I just wanted to show you where we normally go to get our weather. I know that I usually pull this up for you, so I just wanted to show you the main page. So I just type in 6abc.com, and usually at the top you'll see like the biggest news for the day. So this is Sunday night's news, but we're scrolling down and you'll see AccuWeather down here. And typically you'll see the radar in one, and the next one is usually the latest weather video for the day. So normally we see Dave Roberts, or sometimes we see Chris Sowers, but this is where we always watch our videos. There's always a commercial, and then they'll show the weather there. So I will be doing this with you guys at 8:15 each morning, and then we will be having a little discussion. That's for our Zoom video, not Monday, but starting Tuesday, March 31st, we will be doing this, and we will take turns just like we would normally do every single day, fourth period, except we'll just be doing it earlier in the day. So I look forward to seeing you. Please, please, please check out the email that I sent, and we will be in touch. I'll talk to you soon.